slash you can say current obsession. You should give it a try. The best product like in every. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to film a video on my quarantine favorite things, like or slash you can say current obsession. First, let's begin with skincare. As you all know, skin care is really important. So first thing I want to share with you is this face wash, Nivea face wash. It is like rose for sensitive skin. My skin is acne prone plus sensitive, so I'm using this product. It has been almost 2 weeks I think, and really good. It's just like a milk. It is just like a milk, and I am obsessing over this product. I'm not lying. You should give it a try. The best product. I love it. I'm going to use this product again. First thing, this is what I'm using, like face wash. And second, in my skincare product, you all know, like I use this. It's an Upton powder face pack. I love face pack. I use face pack like in every week. I apply a face pack every week. They're like, it is my routine to apply a face pack once in a week, and I suggest to everyone to use it. It is good for tanning, it is good for acne prone skin, it is good if your skin is already good now, then also please give it a try. Use any kind of face pack you like, any product, any face pack. You should try it. You should apply it because your skin needs it, girl. You should apply it. Okay, so these are the two products I'm using for my skin. Moving on, let's talk about hair care. I always talk about skincare, makeup, and I never talk about hair care because I personally don't have any knowledge about hair care. My hairs are not really good, as you can see, because I personally don't care. I just care about my skin. I care about makeup products. I don't like but I'm learning about hair, so I just brought this shampoo Indulekha, and I cannot properly review it because I'm using this shampoo. It has been only 2 weeks, and you don't apply shampoo like every day. Skincare product like face wash, you use it every day, so you know, okay, it's doing good on my face, okay, I can see the changes. But in shampoo, I think if you going to review any kind of shampoo, you should use it at least for a month, then you can review it. Okay, I use this shampoo for the one month, so I know the changes, what it has done to my hair. But it has done nothing. Like, it has been only 1 week, so 1 or 2 weeks, so I cannot review it. But in my life, I never used a conditioner, so I don't have any knowledge about conditioner, how to use it. This is my first conditioner. This is Biotic Advanced Ayurveda Bio Themed Volume Conditioner for fine and thickening hair. And like, I don't know how conditioner look like, what is the texture and anything. It's just like a oil, like it's just like a oil. एकदम ऑयल जैसा ही है. हाथ पे लो ना तो ऐसा लग रहा है तेल लगा रही हूँ सर पे, वैसा है. But I don't know what it does to my hair, but I'm using it. After 1 month, I will tell you guys how it feels, how this product is. Okay, and I am currently obsessing over chains. Like, you know, like in my previous video of Mishra haul, I brought a chain of 3 layered. I loved it. I was like, I want more. Like, I really want to buy it again. And so I brought this pearl chain, which is like going really good with this top, and I like it. Let me show you all. And I don't remember the price and all. I will link in the description. I will tell you the price of this chain. and I am obsessing over chains. I am going to buy it more and more, and I am going to share with you all, guys. So this is my current obsession thing, and let's talk about something different that I never talked. Okay, we all are at home because of this lockdown and this quarantine thing. So like my online lectures are going on and everything is going on, but I watch lots of web series, like lots of web series. I'm currently watching lots of anime, and I don't know this is weird or not. This is, I think, for me it is normal, but if you're watching this video, if you will feel like what I'm saying is weird, it's different, it's not good. I am crushing, like I have a huge crush on all the anime characters what I'm watching. I just recently watched Demon Slayers, and I was like, oh my god, how hot they all are. Yes, I know they are just an anime characters, they are not a human, they are not in real life, but still I love it. I love them, and I am going to watch it more and more. So there is one character in anime which I really like it. I'm going to insert a pic, you can see it, and I'm obsessing over it. I want to watch it again. That's why I don't watch K-dramas. Like, I know I already have I waste lots of my time watching web series, anime, and I don't want to start a K-drama because I will be spoiled. That's why I don't watch K-dramas. I already watch so much things, like so many web series, so many animes I'm going to watch. If I start watching K-dramas, then I will be spoiled. I will be like into my phone only. I will not stop. I will be spoiled. That's why like I'm just controlling myself. But I think I should start watching K-dramas. No, I should not. I should not. Okay. So that's it is. This is my video. End of the video. And if you like the videos, you know the drill. Do it. If you like the video, if you really like the video, please do it. Don't go. नहीं तो ना क्या? नहीं तो ना इससे मारूंगी. हाँ, नहीं तो जो देख देख के भाग जाते हो ना, ठीक है? So that's it. Bye.